Okay, hi students. So today we'll be learning on a new learning objective. How do we calculate percentage change? Okay, so what's the relevant to daily life? So you can use it to calculate profits for a business, loss of a business, calculate discount for maybe Great Singapore sales, commission when you sell something, and for example, your GST as well, that you have been seeing it every day. So for this percentage change, right, it has this only one formula that you need to know for this entire section here. So we are taking the increase or decrease in value over the original value times 100%. So what do I mean? So let's look at some examples. But before you look at some examples, let me brief you on what do I need you to do. So these are the questions that I want you to do. Page 5, question 1, 2, 3. Page 6, question 4, 5, 6. Page 7, 8, 9, 10. And page 8, question 11. So for these purple questions, right, is for you to challenge yourself. That means these are all the challenging questions. It's for you to stretch your thinking. So if you really can't do it, you can discuss with your friend and come with answers together. I'm okay with it. Okay, so before you can calculate percentage change, there are this level of learning that I need you to go through, so that when you go through this process, you will know that which are the learning gaps that you need to fill up. So for level 1, that means, are you able to identify that the original value in every question is 100% if they never specify? Level 2, are you able to find the new percentage after the percentage change? And level 3, are you able to calculate the quantity of the new percentage? Okay, so what do I mean? Let's look at question 1 and 2. Let me do a quick one. Then after that, I will stop this video. So I'll make the video short and sweet for you to understand. So let's look at question 1. So they say increase 90 by 45%. What does it mean? It means we are treating 100% as 90. So 90 is 100%. And now I increase by 45%. So what does it mean? It means that 100 plus 45. So I get 145%. So now I want to find out what is 145%. So my base will be 100, which is my original value. So this is 100%. So the number that corresponds to 100% will be 90. So that's why I multiply by 90. And this question, I want to find out what is 145%. So I put the numerator as 145%. So 145 over 100 times 90, give me 130.5. So this is how I find. So I let you try out B and D yourself. So another example will be decrease 48 by 20%. So in this case, it tells me that the percentage decrease is 20%. So I know that my 100% is 48. And since it has been decreased by 20%, 100% minus 20 will be 80%. And to find out what is 80% of 48, I take 80 over 100 times 48. And this will give me 38.4 as the value for this 80%. Okay, so another one. Another type of question will be, now they tell us that the original value is unknown. We don't know what is it. So I put a question mark. And when increased by 40%, so this is the percentage increase. And this is the new value, which is 2.1. So that means, first step, this number over here is 100%. But I don't know why is it. But I know that the new value is 2.1. So for this new value, I need to find out what is this percent first. So 100 plus 40 is 140%. So that means that this new value is 140%. And now, since I know that 140% represents 2.1, I want to find what is 100%. So I take 100 over 140 times 2.1. When I calculate, this should give me 1.5. So this is my original value. And how do I use this method? Same thing as above. I know that 140% corresponds to 2.1. So that's why this is my base. And I multiply by the number that corresponds to 140%. And since this question, I want to find out what is 100%. That's why I put 100% as the numerator. So I'm trying to express it as a fraction. And when I calculate, this will give me 1.5%. So let's say, okay, so for part D, it's similar also, just that now they ask you for decrease percentage, they give it percentage decrease, and they give you this new value. So I want you to try it yourself. So if you have questions, please text me to ask so that you can clarify your doubt before school reopen. As when school reopen, we'll be starting on chapter 8. Okay, so once you have cleared this part, you can look at the next video, which teach you more about higher level of percentage change questions. Okay, thank you.